In partnership with the Commonwealth Heritage Forum, we're bringing this global programme out of London for the first time to teach hands-on heritage skills training.
Okay, this summer school is vital because there's a general lack of apprenticeships and also moreover that there's a lack of heritage skills, and it's fantastic that we've got these 24 delegates here this week.
From cleaning our precious statues to historic sash window and stone repair, delegates have been gaining hands-on skills while building a global network.
Repairing sash window is really fascinating. I love it.
Amazing.
It's a privilege to learn from such experts.
Never been to England before and I loved it.
What brilliant skills to bring back home to Northern Ireland.
Passionate about heritage.
So it's a great learning opportunity.
Okay, we are building muscles.
A blueprint for future heritage conservation. Subscribe for free to follow the full journey.